Hey guys, so in today's video I want to talk about our new higher time frame candle coloring. I'm really excited to be able to offer this. Really, just to talk about me personally, this has been something that I've been wanting for a long time. I've bought indicators in the past from multiple different sources, looked through different platforms. I know that I wanted this. I trade on the 1 minute time frame. I know some of you guys trade on the higher time frame. I trade on the 1 minute, and the 1 minute can be noisy. But I put up with that noise because I want to have a smaller stop loss. It's worth it for me. It's worth it to put up with the noise so I can have as small of a risk as possible and a great return. So that way the traders on the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the 30 minute can help push my trade in the right direction. So I love doing higher time frame analysis, getting my levels from those higher time frames, and then going down to a 1 minute and executing. Well, it's a lot easier said than done, right? Because that noise is constantly in your face. And sometimes, no matter how good you get at trading, the noise can throw you off. So I really enjoy being able to have something on the higher time frame on a 1 minute chart. And I love trading from my laptop and being able to trade anywhere I want to. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the chart. Here we go. It's available in just 2 time frames right now, the 15 minute and the 30 minute. So if you want to see the 15 minute time frame, you use the 15 minute. If you want to see the 30 minute time frame, you use the 30 minute. And you just use this for any time frame below 15 minute or any time frame if you select 30 below 30 minute. All right, so then this is what it looks like. All right. You can see the downside for having a higher time frame on a 1 minute, right? All this is red when it had such a big push up, and we're going to get into that in a second. This is going to be a longer video. I do a bunch of shorts now, so if watching a 30-minute or less video is too long, then wait for the shorts to come out. But I think it's worth having a little deeper discussion on this. So this is 100% non-repainting, meaning what you see live is what you see to the left. You're not going to find this anywhere. I'm very confident in being able to tell you that. And if you do find an indicator for higher time frame candle coloring that you really like and you really enjoy, let me know. And I don't mind testing it out. I'll let you know if I've already tested it out, because there's odds are that I've already tested it out. I do feel like I'm a very humble person, and this is the first time I can feel really confident to tell you that I think this is the best out there. So let that be for what it is. Anyway, so now let's get into action here. What can make this thing special now, extra special, is we can turn on contrarian candle coloring. So we're going to click that on. And now what it did was it just shaded some white candles, right? We see some white candles. This is really powerful because we're looking at a higher time frame again on a 1 minute, but there's going to be potential reversals, right? And of course the candle color is going to be late. We want it to be late. We want to be delayed. We are consciously choosing to be shown data from a 15-minute chart on a 1 minute time frame. Of course it's going to look late. So when we add contrarian candle coloring, now we get to see these potential reversal areas. So what does that mean? What does reversal area means? Well, contrarians look for tops and bottoms. And that's what this candle coloring is doing. It's looking for potential areas of tops and bottoms. And when this clicks off, when this white coloring clicks off, it essentially is letting you know as a trader, hey, we're not in any danger of a bull or of falling knife, This has clicked off, so it's going to retrace up. We don't know if the retracement's going to be a reversal or not, but it's not going to continue going straight down after the white candles have clicked off. Here we are again here. And then it clicks off, and then it moves down. You see that? So these contrarian candle colorings can help you spot potential reversals. So then you can trade against the trend. You can trade against the candle coloring. So for instance, if you took a short here, you're going to be super excited when you see this red candle. A little disappointed when it turns green again, but then again super excited when it turns white. And if you entered here, then again you get super excited when it turns red, if that makes sense. So the white candle coloring now gives you that opportunity to knowingly trade against the trend, and you're waiting to see that confirmation of the higher time frame say, yep, you're good. So when it goes from white to red and you enter against the trend and then it turns green, you're feeling really good about that. All right. Now the next thing we can do is we can turn on the algo, come down here, and we're going to turn on the scalping line. All right, there we go. It's the only thing I want on. So what is a scalping line now? Well, now we have a line in the middle of our candles that is telling us the current direction. So current price action direction. The candles are set on a 15-minute, and now the white candles are telling you possible rejections points or reversal points, right? So you're all set. You have everything you need to understand the market is trending in what direction on a higher time frame. The market is on a 1-minute time frame, what it looks like, and then where can it possibly turn. The only thing that you need to do as a trader is get your levels set up and get your invalidations points set up. So for this demonstration, we're going to use the market structure indicator. All right. So the purple boxes mean that we have resistance, and when we see some kind of blue boxes, that will mean support. And that's what we're used for this. This can be our first example here. You can see what happens when the current time frame, which is a scalping line, turns red, and it matches the higher time frame candles. There we go. And we can see the retest of the new lower high. And there we go. And down we go. This is a good example. Let me go ahead and pull this up of the contrarian candle coloring clicking in, right? You can see when they finally click off and turns green, the candle stood red, meaning the higher time frame is saying, hey, no, we're still in a downturn. But you could go against the trend, and you can look to purchase at the low and go against the trend now, feeling good that this big move down is over. All right, so there you go. Up it goes. And you don't have to trade against the trend, right? We can go short here, where the current time frame of the scalping line matches with the 15-minute time frame. Down we go for TP1. Here we go again, and then here we go again. So hopefully you guys are seeing the power of this indicator. Here's a good example here that I want to show you. So it makes a new high, and you have those white candles letting you know, hey, there's a possibility the market's going to turn. And then the scalping line turns first. It should turn first. It turns before the higher time frame does. That's what it should do. And so that is an entry. And you go against the trend, and then you're super excited when it turns red, because then you just stay in the trend. And for me, I don't want a lot of entries, right? Because the more entries as a trader you have, the more risk you're putting on the table, right? So I want to sit in the trade for as long as possible. And for me, and I know, look, everybody's different. There's no right or wrong answer here. I'm willing that once I've scaled out of the trade and I've essentially paid for the risk of what's left, I'm okay with letting this come back up and and I see my unrealized gains disappearing. Why? Because I understand the higher time frame's red. The candles have turned white, letting me know that there will be a retracement. The scalping line has turned green, letting me know that the 1 minute agrees there's going to be a retracement. I'm fine. I'm just going to sit in this thing, and I'm going to hope it doesn't stop me out, because the higher time frame is telling me I'm in the right direction. And lo and behold, down we go for a new low. I'll take that all day, right? And then you can take your stop loss. Let's say your stop loss was here, and you go ahead and you take it and you move it here. You know, however you want to manage your trade, to each their own. But I'm super excited about this indicator. You know, if you guys like this video, if you want me to do more demonstrations with it, if you want me to show you different ways to draw your levels, right? And then we can do that, because This indicator is great, gives you a great sense of direction, which ultimately, guys, it just helps you with your emotion. It can't trade for you. It cannot trade for you. It cannot replace your knowledge as a trader. But, if you like this video and you want to know, hey, how do I draw my levels? How do I do this? How do I do that? Let me know. We can draw some levels together. I'll put this indicator back on the chart and show you how it works out. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this new indicator. I'm thrilled about it. I already had a huge trade today. Was able to basically, I'll show you. Let me show you. So I was basically able to right here. Where we go? There we go. I was basically able to ride this short the whole time. So it turns. We have the white candles here, and it turns red. I didn't take this one. All right, I let this one go, and it came back up to this beautiful market structure box, and then I took it right here, and I was super pumped when the candles turned red, and I just stood in the trade. I just was able to stay in this trade. Was I scared when it turned green here? Absolutely, but I was more than enough into the profit. All right, so again, I'm super excited about this higher time frame candle coloring. I'm sorry for the long video. Hopefully it was worth your time. If you have any questions about the indicator, you can comment below, or you can go to tradingwithadam.com, submit a support ticket there. Have any questions about my mentorship, you can ask my students. You can see all of my testimonials with, so many students that are, having their prop firm certificates from passing their challenges and becoming funded traders, and then other students that are selecting to start real money and playing with micros and futures. So if you have any questions about that, again, tradingwithadam.com. I think my Discord is in the description as well. So, all right, have a great day. Take care now. Bye-bye.